So today we're going to be checking out a builder that offers non-HOA homes throughout all of Port St. Lucie. Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. We're going to see one of their most popular plans. They include the lot in their price and they're paying closing costs when you work with one of their preferred lenders. So if you're trying to get into a new home and think something like this or maybe a little smaller might work, reach out and let's talk about it. I have a great relationship with the builder and lender. They give me pre-releases on pricing and availability so I can share this with my clients and subscribers. So this home is going to give you 2,508 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. You're going to get a huge great room with a separate living room and dining room with high ceilings. There's a breakfast nook right next to the kitchen and a cabana bath that leads out to the covered lanai. And the owner suite has 2 walk-in closets, 2 vanities, and a separate tub and shower. And I know this home is unfurnished, and that can make it hard for some of you to really visualize how your things might fit, but stick with me on this one. I'm going to take you through the entire house, the garage, and the backyard, and show you what the floor plan looks like. Right now, the builder has a lot of inventory homes that are move-in ready and coming in the next month or two for this floor plan and some others. So if you want more information about that, or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying and building here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the homes Adams and the different builders here have to offer. As always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have, or if you're looking to see if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.